Hello, in this video I am going to show you conditional jumping when you are doing comparison instructions, which is fantastic for some sort of basic loop, for example. So if you haven't watched the compare instruction video and the unconditional jump video, I highly recommend checking those two out first. Once you have, welcome back. And if we run this, it runs this 5 times. What we have, if you don't remember, we create a variable, or we put in the ESP register the value 1, we increment it, but this is just a label, and then we are comparing does ESP equal 5, and we print out hello world, and then here it says it jumps to this line, so LP1, and it keeps doing it till it hits 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. But that technically is a conditional jump, so we actually did conditional jumping in the compare instruction video. But as you can see, there's actually a whole heap of different ways of implementing conditional jumps. So if we just change it from JL to JLE to just JL, we just get it 4 times. So what's happened? So this will keep running up to the point where ESP is less than 5 but not up including 5, whereas JLE includes 5 as well. So that's what these two are. As you can see, there are a variety of them. The only other one I want to show you is, because you can have a look at all this information yourself and experiment with them as an extra task. I highly recommend that you do that. The only other one I want to show you is JGE, so JGE, and if I change this to, instead of being 1, it starts at 10, and it will decrement. It will still finish when it gets to 5. If I run it, as you can see, it runs it 6 times. That is, the reason is because it does 10, then 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5. So there are 6 instances. So if you wanted it to basically run 5 times, you could either change it to a 6, or instead of using the JGE conditional jump, you could use the JG, and that prints it out 5 times. So that's really all there is to conditional jumping. It's very similar how in other languages, high level programming languages, you have symbols such as less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, not equal to would be like that, for example, and very similar to that principle. And I'll leave the rest of the conditional jumps with yourself to experiment and just try out. If you have any questions though, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.